So welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a healthy chicken and rice. So let's begin. So I'm boiling 1.5 cup of basmati rice, as you can see. So we're just going to let this boil and then we're going to cook the chicken. So we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, one onion. So we're going to fry this until it's golden. So we're now going to add 2 medium-sized fresh tomatoes. So we're going to cook these until the tomatoes have softened. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of curry powder. So we're going to now mix this together. I'm going to add a dash of water. I'm going to now raise the heat. So we're now going to add our diced breast chicken. So I've used 2 pieces of breast chicken and cut it up in small pieces. I'm just going to allow this to cook. I'm going to now put this on a low to medium heat. So I'm just going to allow the chicken to get cooked. So I'm going to now raise the heat and cook this on a medium to a high heat. Okay, now I'm going to add some sliced mushrooms. So let's now cook the mushrooms. Okay, so now the mushroom and the chicken is cooked. So I'm going to turn this off the heat, and I've drained my rice. We're just going to mix this in. So we're just going to mix this in. So here is our chicken and rice ready. So now we're going to just plate this up. So I hope you enjoyed our healthy chicken and rice. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thanks guys for watching.